Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up VirtualBox and Virtual Network and Kioptrix virtual machine and Kali virtual machine. First we'll start with VirtualBox. So we want to download VirtualBox. First we will download VirtualBox for Mac OS, and also we need the extension pack, all support platform. I already downloaded both of them. I have them in already, and now we want to get Kioptrix from VirnHub. Kioptrix. Kioptrix. Okay, we have here the 5 levels of Kioptrix. You can download each any one of them. You can download all of them or one. So for this demonstration, I will just download the first one. I already downloaded from the second link here. And for Kali Linux, get Kali from kali.org. You can get it directly from virtual machine here. For virtual machine, just click on it and it will redirect you down here. We want it for VirtualBox. You can download it here, and I will provide you with all links. I have them, all of them here, the Kali Linux and Kioptrix and VirtualBox, and this is the extension for it. So I will show you just step by step how to install them. I already have it, so this will be more like an update for me. Install. Okay, administrator name. Okay. So after installation, we might require to restart the device. After that, I will add the extension and install the rest of virtual machines. Okay, we are done here. So on system preferences, security and privacy. Okay, we require to restart it just to add it fully. Okay. So we'll continue the rest after I restart my laptop. Okay, now I finished restarting my laptop. As you can see, it's already gone. So now we will add the extension to the VirtualBox. It will open VirtualBox and import it, upgrade, okay, and agree. Okay, administration. Okay, install successfully. So we added the extension. We need it for future work in VirtualBox. So adding Kali Linux it's easy since it's extension OVA, so we can just simply import it by double click. So by default it's VirtualBox, so it will be imported. You can check the details if you want and just import, agree, and it will take some time to get imported fully. For Kioptrix, it's RAR, so in Mac by default it doesn't support it, but I have the unarchiver for unarchiving RAR files. You can download it to extract RAR files. So we have the Kioptrix level 1 here. It's made for VMware, but we can add it to VirtualBox. So we just need to wait until it finish here. It will finish soon. Okay, we have now Kali links inside. Now we want to create a Kioptrix file. So we start new. You can use the guide mode or expert mode. Both of them are same. I just prefer expert mode since everything in one place. So I can just write Kioptrix for the virtual machine that I want to create. It's Linux space. We can make it Linux 2.2 as and for the memory 512 is best for it since it's doesn't have GUI, and we need to create virtual hard disk for it since we already have it here. So after creating it, we just right click and go to show in Finder. So we have it here. We just drag all the files from here to here and sort them. This is just to add the hard disk inside, and inside the settings for Kioptrix in the storage we just add the hard disk, add. Okay, and it's here, the hard disk VMDK, and just open and choose, and it will be added inside. And for virtual network, it's preferred to use NAT network to connect with other machines. Okay, we don't have one created yet, so we will create one and we'll use it. For now we'll turn it off, so at least we have the virtual hard disk imported. So we save that, and we need to go to tools. In preferences we go to network and we create our virtual network. It's called NAT network. We can modify it. We can call it something like private network. For the network inside, we can specify like 192.168.1, for example. You can specify anything else. You can make it at the N50 or anything. So this is our network here. So we can use it for both our machines. For Kioptrix, we just enable it and it's here. You can turn on advanced and make it allow all, just to avoid any issues while trying to hack it, and make sure it's cable connected for this one, and it's okay. So we are done with Kioptrix. Until it's turned on, we'll turn on the Kali. For the screen, since it's too small, you can just go to view, and in visual screen you make it double scale to 100%, and this is acceptable, and let it work until we finish with Kali. In Kali settings, it's already set up since we just imported. Everything is already done inside. So we can keep the first one like same network, NAT network, and just allow all. So we can connect both machines together since both of them in private network. We can also add other adapters, just configure them now, then you can use them later. Things like NAT, for example, you can connect with it to internet through your device, or for example bridge, so you can connect directly to the Wi-Fi as a separate device. You can make it also allow all, and you can also make something like host only adapter, well, we need also to create one for it if we want to use it. So create one for it for now. And okay, Kioptrix is working fine, so we can keep it aside. And for the host only network, you can go to File and Host Network Manager. You can create one here. We have VBUX net 0. It's enabled now with this network. You can change it if you want. For example, 5.5. This manual, you can make it automatic if you want. DHCP server, anything you want. For now, we'll make it something manually like this, and just apply changes. You can create as many as you want, and you can just simply like add it. We will add it for adapter 4, host only virtual network 0. It's just allow you to connect to your host only, which is our Mac here, and you can use it to like intercept connection to the internet through your host. You can disable all cables for other adapters. We need only one, but you can enable them while the machine was working. So we only need the NAT networks to connect with our victim machine, or like to hack the Kioptrix machine. So we finished settings the network, and Kioptrix is working now. It's just Kali. Adjust window size and make it double. No need. The default username and password is Kali. The Kali for username and Kali for password. You can adjust the size if you want. For example, resize, I think, okay, this is nice. And just to test, you can go to terminal. You can even start terminal as a root. Just to demonstrate, we can check our network configuration, like ifconfig, and it's the first one, Ethernet, yeah, here. So we are number 4, 192.168.1.4. Other way and easy and fast for me is host name hyphen capital I. So you can just see the adapter that you are connected with. So since we are now know our IP and the victim machine is on same network, we can just use nmap on same network to find out our victim machine. And since it's locally, it will find it fast. Okay, here it is. You can check the rest. You can ignore the first two, and this is our machine, the Kali, and the last one is our victim machine. So we can use nmap to find more about it. Like there's are the ports, open ports in it, SSH, HTTP, so it has web interface, HTTPS with it, and other ports. You might find some vulnerability on them. So in the, now we are like done. So if you want, you can do other things like creating, make it more personal, Kali, and like start like root terminal. It's same Kali for password, and you can create your anything, make anything as a root, so you have full power to do some hacking. Like that's it. If you have any question, you can ask me directly. Thank you for listening until the end. Goodbye.